Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. So this is where we try to get you to think a little bit different about the world of remodeling, and maybe you take away a golden nugget of information about our world.
It's not as scary as you think, and that's part of what we're here to do, is to educate you on that. And the topic of today is, what really does a general contractor do?
Yes, Mike, what does a general contractor
I've been trying to
do?
figure that out for years. Basically, many hats is what general contractors wear. It's not
Right.
just the building process. It's not just from A to Z, but it's all the other stuff in between. All the hats you have to wear. So it's not that the general contractor manages one trade, manages multiple trades, communicates with multiple trades, makes sure that the trades are doing exactly what they're specifically designated to do according to the scope of contract and the plans that go along with that scope.
Right. So we do start out with the homeowner and work with them on an appropriate scope of project, and that's all of their work. And then our job is to realize the work. And we've got the materials and the labor and everything all coordinated with the selections. And then in realizing that, it comes with managing all the trades, paying all the trades, trying to stay on a very specific timeline, which also means staying on a budget, inspections, permits, lots of different things.
It is many hats. Communication is probably one of the most important things that people don't realize, is not only communicating with the client, constantly make sure everything is okay, but also communicating with the trades to make sure they understand exactly what they're supposed to do. And it's important so that the next one down the line. So a general contractor not only is concerned about that day's work, but concerned about next week and the week after and the week after, and making sure materials are there ready for that next step so that the job goes smoothly, it keeps moving, is on time and on budget. And it's so important to have that communication, which I think is something that most people don't realize. That is a key characteristic of a general contractor.
Yeah, so we oversee all of the trades. We pull the entire family, which is our family, together. And then we do everything from keeping the job site safe, clean, even the waste management.
A
to
clean
the
site
dumpster,
is a happy site.
the potty, all of it.
Yes.
So there's a whole lot of things going on. We've got our fingers and hands and our feet and all kinds of things every day, all day. But that's what we love, and that's what a general contractor does, or that they
should do.
should do.
Right, so they're not just putting a hammer to a nail, but they're wearing all kinds of different hats, but they're all intertwined to make sure the job goes smoothly.
Absolutely. So we hope you have learned something about what a general contractor does on a daily basis, and you've come away learning something new today. So stay tuned for the next Remodel Your Thinking. We'll see you in 1 month. Thanks.
See ya.